What is happening to all children at this time? Well, nothing short of a revolution. It's the beginning of self-propulsion. You're starting to be able to stand. You're in the early days of being able to mobilize yourself towards that lovely shiny object. What is the core experience? I'll talk to that now. The core experience. How do we experience that from the inside when these are the ways that we're treated? Well, when we get support on our terms, support for our power as well as our power is not power over. It's just the agency, potency, right? And we get support for that as well as our vulnerability. So there's both parts of who we are. We get grounded. What does this look like, this wounding collectively? What are the societal outcomes? Societal outcomes. This wounding is the base. It's foundational for the dominator of society. And that is a term coined by anthropologist Riane Eisler.
Incredible, but I've finished talking about the 7 rites of passage. That was it. And so the next and final 2 sessions will be about other things to do with these rites of passage. How our adaptations will manifest and interlock in relationship, interact that wound in one person with that wound in the other person is going to be really interesting, and how to the healing journey, the inner child work, the developmental nutrients, personally and societally as well.